Welcome to day 12 of your 365-day fitness journey. Today we focus on the dumbbell curl, a staple move to build your biceps safely and effectively. Start with your feet shoulder width apart, arms extended, and dumbbells by your side. Keep your elbows tucked in. No swinging motion here. Curl the dumbbells up with control, squeezing your biceps at the top. Remember, it's all about muscle work, not momentum. Lower the weight slowly, maintaining that perfect form. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps to build arm strength with precision. Like, share, and subscribe for daily form fixes. See you on day 13. Elbows tucked in squeeze at the top. No swinging slow negative. Eels more gains 365 days. 365 fixes. Like, share, subscribe.